Welcome to the Cada Squad. I'm so happy that you're visiting our channel. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. We have a lot of videos on our channel. So we got the Food First miniature cafe toy. We had 3 of them, and then we were left over with 3 of these collector catalogs. So we decided that it would be really cool to turn the little collector guide into a sticker book. So I'm cutting out all of the big pictures of the foods that we can create. And if you have the time and patience, you can even cut out the little miniature items, like at the bottom, like the little cereal boxes and the little milk containers and all of that. And right now I'm going to go ahead and load up my little miniature tape dispenser for later when I work on the front cover with this colorful tape. And next it's going to be time to work on my background pages for the sticker book. I'm going to use this leftover cardstock that I have, and I'm fitting some of these little miniature foods on there to find out about how many can fit across, and I think 3 on each page will be just fine. So to prepare my pages, I'm going to fold it evenly, and I'm going to cut along the creases. By the way, if you like Kirby, we also have another video on how to make a Kirby sticker book. And we also have videos on DIY squishies. The next thing I have to do on these background pages is put a layer of tape. If I don't do that, when I place the stickers, they're going to be stuck. This will help me to have a smooth, shiny surface so my stickers can come on and off easily. And now I'm just cutting away the excess. Now that I have all of my sticker pages prepared, I'm going to just put a little bit of sticker on a piece of printer paper and put down all of the little mini cafe foods and just cut them out one more time with another layer of tape. This way they'll be a little thicker since the paper is so thin. I'm giving my stickers a little border and they feel so much better now. They're much thicker, and here they all are. And now I'm going to put some parchment paper down and I'm going to layer a bit of tape on that, and then I'll place my little mini cafe foods on top of that with another layer of tape. This will create the sticker. A really important thing when you're arranging your sticker images is that you want to make sure you have a little gap between each one, because you need to cut a border around each little image, or else you will just cut off the tape and then your sticker will fall apart. Since I made the sticker sticker on the white printer paper, I'm giving a little border around the white printer paper. That's under the image, and there it is. I peeled it and you can see it sticks very nice. So I'm going to put it back so I can add it to our sticker book. And there they all are. And I'm going to fit 3 stickers per page of this sticker book. And these stickers, once I put them on, I can peel them right off and add them to anything I want. They're not going to stick permanently onto the sticker page book because we already put that layer of tape. I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, make sure to give us a thumbs up and to please follow, because we post a lot of videos and we have a fun DIY playlist. If you go through our videos, you'll see that we set up some playlists and all of our craft videos are on the DIY one. So my miniature tapes came with the background of this nice paper, so I thought it was the perfect background paper for the front page of the sticker book. So I'm just going to cut it out to size to match my pages of my sticker book. And there it is. It's all cut out and has little stars and hearts on it. And I'm just going to give it a cute little border with this cute tape. It's such a pretty little tape. And I even got this cute sparkle star tape for the sides. I'll just cut away a little excess. And on my very front page, I'm going to have one of my stickers, and it's going to be the cereal sticker. And so it's not so plain on the front, I'm going to cut out the little cereal box and the little bottle of milk. You can make your front cover any way you like. You can even draw a picture for the front cover. So I'm going to cover the whole thing with another thick layer of tape and then put my sticker and finally just fold over the extra tape. And now comes a little bit of a complicated part. You're going to need something sharp like the tip of a scissor, a pen. I like to use a little nail that you would hammer into the wall, and that helps me to poke a hole in each page right in the same spot so that I can add my pipe cleaner through, so then I can twist it and turn it into a little binding for the book to keep all the pages together. Since this book is so small, I think I'll just put 2 little pipe cleaner bindings on this little mini sticker book. If you use a really pointy nail, all you gotta do is just give it a little push and a little twist, and it usually goes right through the paper easily. It would be really great if they had a hole puncher that made a hole very miniature instead of the regular size it is, because on a miniature sticker book it looks so much better when it's a tiny hole. You don't want a really big hole, because then the pages will just be wiggly and loose. So when I give it a little twist, I give a little bit of looseness to the pipe cleaner, like a little circle shape, like a small little O shape, and then I twist it, and then I just cut away the excess. You don't want to twist it too tight or you can't open the pages properly. So the book is opening and closing just fine, and now I'm going to go ahead and poke a hole with the other nail and do the same thing with the pipe cleaner at the bottom of the book, and then our book will be complete. Now all the stickers are in one place, ready to go whenever you need them, to stick to your phone, to stick a letter to a friend, to your diary, stationery, anywhere you want. And this book is a great little place to keep them all. Thanks again for visiting the channel and checking out this video, and please subscribe because we have more videos coming soon.